apa blocks mental yang paling biasa yang menghalang mereka untuk menceburi dalam bidang ini, investment?
Because I think very obvious, because mereka merasakan bahawa there are people yang betul-betul melibatkan diri dalam investment and they really make money and they live with it, and dia merasakan bahawa pelaburan ni macam satu career, macam something that is a different game. Memang you have to focus, you kena spend time and spend effort to study and to learn pasal investment. Jadi itulah dia punya mental block, and dia merasakan bahawa payahlah saya nak belajar pasal investment, I'm good earner, so tak perlu. I think there's one mental block yang they all ada, because dia merasakan bahawa I'm an engineer, so aku kena belajar ke pasal investment. I have to be a good person to know about investment. Itu mungkin itu, and I have to spend more time, I have to be a full-time investor. Itu satu mental block. Yang satu lagi lah, dia merasakan bahawa investment ni adalah satu yang berisiko tinggi, high risk. I don't want to lose all my money, I've been earning good income sekarang ni, and then takut bila saya melabur nanti habis semua duit, ya kan? So ini yang tadi saya ceritakan pasal risk, market risiko, which kita kena belajar, kita kena faham, we have to understand. Okay, and you don't have to be a real professional ataupun somebody yang betul-betul pandai ataupun mahir dalam bidang ni. Okay.
Lalu Malaysia's leading AI investment tool will be found for free now at Google and Apple Play Store.